Howdy everyone. In the previous lecture of design of structures, we had studied the basic concepts of WRC beam and the stress diagram as well as the important formula regarding the WRC beam. So, firstly, we will go for analysis of section of WRC beam. So here in the first example, it is given that a doubly reinforced beam of 300 mm into 600 mm overall. That is the overall size, that is depth of the beam is given as 600 mm. So here D equals to 600 mm and B equals to 300 mm is reinforced with 4-20 mm dia bars as compression reinforcement. So here the value of ASC is given as 4-20 mm dia. So here I am indicating 4-20 dia. First, second, third and fourth bar of 20 mm diameter and 6-20 mm dia bars as tensile reinforcement. So here AST equals to 6-20 mm diameter bar and effective cover on both side is 50 mm. That is here cover is given as 50 mm for tension reinforcement as well as for compression reinforcement, that is D dash is given as 50 mm. So the effective depth will be approximately equals to 550 mm. Now we have to use M25 concrete and Fe415 steel grade, and we have to compute the moment of resistance, that is we have to find the value of Mu. So first of all we will write the given data. FCK is given as 25 Newton per mm square. Fy is given as 415 Newton per mm square. Here B is given as 300 mm and small d effective depth is we had calculated as 550 mm. And here also AST, that is area of tensile reinforcement, is given in the terms of diameter and the number of bars, that is 6-20 mm dia. So here we will get the value of AST as 1885 mm square. You may use the equation 6 into pi by 4 into 20 square, or we may get the value directly from SP16 page number 229 as 1885 mm square. And also the value of ASC is given as 4-20 mm dia. So by using SP16 page number 229, we will get 1256 mm square. So area of compression steel is 1256 and area of tension steel is 1885 mm square. Now, as we had discussed in the previous lecture, that we have to find the value of FSC and FCC. So we will go for that step. Now, to find FCC and FSC. So using SP16 page number 13, we will get the FCC equals to 0.446 FCK, and the value of FCK is given as 25. So the value of FCC will be equals to 11.15 Newton per mm square. This equation is given in SP 16, page number 13. Now, we have to calculate the value of FSC, and for FSC, as we had discussed in the previous lecture, that we have to use SP16 page 13 table F. So firstly, for that we have to calculate the ratio of D dash by D, as the value of D dash is given as 50 mm effective cover on both sides. So here 50 upon, and effective depth is 550. So we get the ratio d dash by d equals to 0.09, which is approximately equals to 0.10. Now from SP16 page number 13 table F, we will get the value of FSC as 353 Newton per mm square. That is stress in compression reinforcement. Now we have to calculate the value of XU, and as we discussed earlier, to find the depth of neutral axis XU, we have the equation C1 plus C2 equals to T. Hence, as we know that value of C1 is 0.36 FCK B into XU, plus value of C2 is FSC minus FCC into ASC equals to capital T is nothing but 0.87 FY AST. Here all the values are known except the depth of neutral axis XU. So therefore we will put all the values. 0.36 into value of FCK is given as 25 into width of the beam 300 into XU, as it is still unknown and we have to calculate this value, plus FSC we had calculated in the second step 353, and FCC as 11.15 into ASC 1256 equals to 0.87 into Fy is given as 415, and AST we had calculated in the first step as 1885. So here we will get 2700 XU plus 429363.6 equals to 680,579.25. So after solving this equation, we will get the value of XU as 93.04 mm. And we have to check whether the section is over reinforced, under reinforced, or balanced section. And hence, in the given data, it is given that Fe 415 grade, and for Fe 415 grade we know the equation for XU max equals to 0.48 into D. So putting the value of D as 550, we will get the value of XU max as 264 mm. This equation is already available in IS 456-2000, page number 70, or you may use SP16, page 9. Here, value of XU and XU max has been calculated by us. So here XU is less than XU max. Therefore, our section is under reinforced section. Hence, we may say that 93.04 is less than 264. Hence, the section is under reinforced section. And we had calculated the value of XU. So now we have to calculate the moment of resistance. So for moment of resistance, we know that mu equals to C1Z1 plus C2Z2, and value of C1 is 0.36 FCK B into XU, and Z1 is D minus 0.42 XU, plus value of C2 as FSC minus FCC into ASC into D minus D dash. So after inputting all the values of FCK as 25, B 300, XU we had calculated earlier, that is 93.04, small d as 550, XU as 93.04, FSC as 353, FCC 11.15, ASC 1256, D 550 and D dash 50. You will get the value of mu as 343.03 kilonewton into meter. So we had computed the moment of resistance mu as 343.03 kilonewton into meter. So by this way, you may easily calculate the moment of resistance. From the given data, we have to firstly calculate area of tensile steel and area of compression steel, that is AST and ASC. Then we have to find FCC and FSC, and by using the equation C1 plus C2 equals to T, we have to calculate the value of XU, and we have to check whether the section is under reinforced, over reinforced, or balanced section. And for that, we have to check the condition of XU max according to the characteristic strength of steel. And lastly, we have to calculate the moment of resistance mu equals to C1Z1 plus C2Z2. Now we will go for another example, that is example number 2. In example number 2, it is given that a doubly reinforced beam of 250 mm into 500 mm effective deep. So here value of B is given as 250 mm and value of D is effective is given, that is small d is given as 500 mm, and is reinforced with two numbers of 16 mm dia bars as compression reinforcement. So the compression reinforcement bars are given as two numbers and 16 mm dia, and for tensile reinforcement it is given that 4-25 mm dia bars, and effective cover on both sides is given as 50 mm. So from these basic details, we may easily get the overall depth, that is capital D equals to 500 small d plus effective cover 50. So here we will get the overall depth capital D equals to 550 mm, and we have to use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel grade, and we have to calculate the moment of resistance, that is mu. So we will just write the basic details that are given in the statement. FCK is given as 20 Newton per mm square. Fy is given as 415 Newton per mm square. AST is given as 4-25 diameter bar. From SP we will get 1963 mm square. And value of ASC is given as two numbers of 16 diabars, which will be equals to 402 mm square. Now we have to find the value of FCC and FSC. So firstly, FCC equals to 0.446 FCK. This equation is given in SP16, page number 13. So FCC will be equals to 0.446 into FCK is given as 20. So we will get the value as 8.92 Newton per mm square. Now, to find the value of FSC, we have to first find the ratio of d dash by d. And as we know that the value of d dash in the given data is 50 and effective depth is 500. So we will get the ratio as 0.09, which is approximately equals to 0.10. Now, by using SP16, page number 13, table number F, and the ratio d dash by d equals to 0.10, we will get the value of FSC as 353 Newton per mm square. Hence, from the given data, we had calculated the value of AST and ASC, and using the equation FCC equals to 0.446 FCK and FSC using d dash by d as 353 Newton per mm square. Now we will calculate the value of XU. As we know that XU will be important while calculating the value of moment of resistance. So we know that C1 plus C2 equals to capital T, and value of C1 is given as 0.36 FCK B into XU plus FSC minus FCC into ASC equals to 0.87 Fy AST. Here the value of only XU is unknown for us. So after putting the known values, 0.36 into 20 into value of B as 250 into XU plus FSC as 353, FCC as 8.92 into ASC 402 equals to 0.87 into 415 into 1963. So after solving this, we will get 1800 XU plus 138320.16 equals to 708741.15. And resolving this equation, we will get the value of XU as 316.90 mm. So this is the value of depth of neutral axis. Now, for the given grade, that is for Fe415, the equation of XU max is 0.48 D. This equation is given in IS 456 2000, page number 70. So, putting the value of D as 500, it is given, we will get the value of XU max as 240 mm. Now, we have to check the condition whether XU is less than XU max, equals to XU max, or greater than XU max. Hence, for that, XU, that is 316.90, is greater than XU max. Hence, the section is over reinforced section. Now, we will go for the moment of resistance. Now, for calculating the moment of resistance, we know that mu equals to C1 Z1 plus C2 Z2, and value of C1 is 0.36 FCK B into XU bracket D minus 0.42 XU, and value of C2 as FSC minus FCC into ASC D minus D dash. So inputting all the values that are already there, 0.36 into 20 into 250 in the value of XU we had calculated in the previous step, that is XU equals to 316.90, and here the section is over reinforced. Therefore, we have to check, or we have to go for the minimum value, that is XU equals to 240 into DS 500 minus 0.42 into 240 plus FSC as 353 minus 8.92 into 402 into D minus D dash, that is 500 minus 50. So after solving this equation, we will get the value of moment of resistance as 234.69 into 10 raised to 6 Newton into mm, which will be equals to 234.69 kilonewton into meter. So by this way, we may get the moment of resistance mu as 234.69 kilonewton into meter. So these are the two sums that are related to the WRC beam and the analysis of the WRC beam. Just remember one thing, that if the section is over reinforced section, then you have to consider the value of XU as minimum value. That is, here XU is 316.90 and XU max is 240 mm. Hence, we have to consider the smaller values of both the values. Hence, here we will assume the value of XU as minimum value as 240 mm in case of only over reinforced section. So by this way, you may easily analyze the sections that are related to the WRC beam. So now just we will go for the revision related to both sum. First of all, you have to calculate the value of AST and ASC that are given in the statement. Then you have to find the value of FCC and FSC using SP16 page number 13. After calculating the value of FCC and FSC, you have to check the value of depth of neutral axis. That is, from equation C1 plus C2 equals to T, you have to calculate the value of XU. And after calculating the value of XU, you have to check the value of XU max using IS 456-2000 page number 70 based on the characteristic strength of steel grade. And after checking the condition, that is XU less than XU max, then the section is under reinforced. XU equals to XU max, then your section is balanced section. And XU greater than XU max, then your section will be over reinforced section. And hence remember one thing, for over reinforced section you have to consider the value of XU as the minimum of XU and XU max. And after calculating both the values, you have to find the moment of resistance, that is mu. And by using the equation C1Z1 plus C2Z2, you may easily calculate the value of mu. So in the next lecture, we will discuss the sums related to the analysis of WRC beam. Thank you.